This video will demonstrate how to create output in a console application. First of all, I'm going to create a console project, so that will mean creating a new project, making sure that Visual C# is selected, and select console application in the center panel. Change the name of your console application to Hello World Console. In addition, browse to the correct folder on your USB key. Then press OK to create the project. Once the project has finished loading, you will see code. You will not see a Windows form. A console application only has this code window available to it, and almost all of your code will be written within these two squiggly brackets underneath the static void main. The line of code to create text output in a console application is console with a capital C dot write line with capital W and a capital L. C# is case sensitive, which means that the capitalization is very important. Follow the console.write line with a bracket and a quotation mark, and after the quotation mark write hello world exclamation mark. You'll notice that the hello world is underlined with red, which means that there is an error in it. I need to close off my quotation mark and close off my bracket, and you'll see that there should be a squiggly line as well at the end of the line, which means that C# is waiting for punctuation. At the end of every line, put a semicolon. Now my first console project is complete. I'll press Ctrl F5 to run my program, and you'll see the words Hello World printed out. To create another line of text, I will create another line of code, and that will be another console.write line. And here I'll say bye world. So again, notice the semicolon at the end, and the quotation marks, and the brackets. When I press Ctrl F5 to run it, you'll see the lines hello world, bye world, and then I press any key to continue. So console.write line is one method of creating output. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another line of output, console.write back again. When I run this line, this program now with Ctrl F5, you'll see how it's written over here. Hello world, bye world on two different lines, and you'll see back again written on the next line. You'll notice that the white space in my code is ignored. White space is completely ignored by C#, but the output is exactly as I've written within the quotation marks. You'll notice that there is no space after the back again, and press any key to continue. This is the difference between console.write and console.write line. Console.write line means that it will print out your words and then go to the next line. So hello world and bye world were printed with console.write line. After they were printed out, they went to the next line. However, with console.write, it printed back again, but it did not go to the next line. It remained on the same line, so press any key to continue, goes right after it. I'm going to add one more console.write here. Run the program, and you'll see again that no additional spaces or new lines are added. So it's a hello world new line, bye world new line, but since I did console.write at the end of my program, you'll see that I have back again, too soon, immediately after each other, and press any key immediately after the too soon.